I mean, at the end of the day, you're being taxed. You're being taxed. All government spending is taxation. So whether it's direct taxation or all government spending, it either becomes inflation or it's direct taxation. Your money is being wasted, and the Department of Government Efficiency is going to fix that.
President-elect Donald Trump announced that Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy will head a new Department of Government Efficiency aimed at reducing bureaucracy, cutting regulations, and restructuring federal agencies. Trump praised the two leaders, stating they would provide external guidance to reform government operations. The proposal, part of Trump's recent economic plans, raises questions about potential conflicts of interest, particularly for Musk, whose companies have government contracts. The plan's specifics and likelihood of congressional support remain unclear.
America's just not just going to be great. America is going to reach heights that it has never seen before. The future